and welcome to this video on staying organized in college. Being organized makes college easier for you. When you are organized, you will save yourself a lot of time, you're going to know where all your materials are, and you're not going to have to spend time searching for things. And because you are going to save yourself that time, you are going to reduce your stress. And lastly, it might even save you some money because you may not have to buy extra materials that you've misplaced. Now, there are two big components to staying organized in college. The first one is physical organization, and the second one is digital organization. So, what does it mean to be physically organized? First, you want to make sure you are using routines and creating stations for yourself. And what we mean by that is you want to make sure that you put your things away in the same places every time you do so. That way, you know where your things are at all times. Using color coding for your notebooks and folders can also help you stay organized. So, for example, if you are in biology, maybe you want to use a green folder and a green notebook for that course. Use a pencil case to hold regularly needed supplies like pens, pencils, erasers, highlighters, a pack of post it notes, etc. If you have a large textbook, consider using post it notes to help create sections within readings so you can easily navigate the book. Lastly, when you are taking notes, it is important to keep them organized. Keeping them organized means making sure they are dated. That way, if you have any points of confusion, you can go back to your syllabus and identify what readings were covered on that day so you can fill in any gaps. Also, make sure you are using one notebook per course. This helps make sure you are not getting any content mixed up. Lastly, keep research notes separated from class lecture notes. Now, moving on to digital organization. So, just like with physical organization, it is important to use routines. Part of that is checking your email and Canvas regularly and putting things like assignments and such into their designated places. Also, using folders for each semester can help you stay organized. Within the semester folders, make another folder for each course. In each course folder, store your files and use folders for big projects. Naming your files with intention is key to staying organized. For research, use a combination of the last name of the author and the title. So, for example, Smith, use of strategies in the classrooms. For assignments, use your title or a signifier that is unique to that assignment. Make sure to also organize your emails into folders. And if there is any email you need to follow up with, make sure to flag it to give yourself that reminder. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.